Here are a pair of cool gray 4s I was able to get last year in 2019, but I'm finally breaking them out. Some cool history. Nike and Jordan released these to commemorate the 30th anniversary of the Jordan 4 model. This colorway released in 2004, and they just re-retroed these in 2019. Some quick thoughts on the materials of the shoe. You have the upper, primarily made of a material that feels like suede, but the quality of the suede is somewhat different. It's not that typical hairy and fibrous suede, where when you graze your finger on it, this one doesn't leave that nice brush mark. It feels thin and somewhat firm. I'm not sure if this material will look really good when it's creased up. The suede material pretty much carries through most of the upper, from the toe box to the lateral panels and even to the back heel. The colorway, as you can pretty much see, is all a monochromatic cool gray, which is more on the darker tone. Even throughout the classic netting, all also monochromed out in gray. On the back of the heel, you have a chromatic Jumpman emblem. The classic lace cages that are the hallmark features of the 4s are coated in a nice dark shiny charcoal. The midsole has a nice hit of white and black contrast, and then of course you have the yellow transparent air unit underneath the heel. The bottom outsole of these shoes is actually my favorite part. I really like the touch of yellow over the toe area. It's a really nice touch, and even though no one really sees it, I'm not really sure why, but I'm a sucker for soles that have nice bottoms, like something else, if you know what I mean. I love this colorway because it goes well with a lot of things. I also like the hits of yellow on the tongue, the air bubble, and the outsole. These hits of yellow are really subtle, but they also pop at the same time and are a perfect accent. The Jordan 4s are arguably my favorite Jordan model. They're definitely top 3. There's something about the silhouette and shape of the Jordan that resonates with me the most out of all the other Jordan models. I really like how they look on feet. They're not too bulky, but they have a very sleek and modern appeal considering that it was originally a basketball shoe. You just can't go wrong with a pair of 4s, especially in the solid colorway.